What's up guys, this is Jake. Today I'm doing a quick review on the Camkix Professional Camera Cleaning Kit for DSLR cameras. I specifically use mine for my Sony camera, but you can use this on Canon, Nikon, Pentax, Sony, whatever DSLR camera you want to use it for. So real quick, this is the plastic casing that it comes in. You can see right here, this part right here, you can actually just hold down and close right there. Very simple to do that way. You have a handful of kind of microfiber cloths in here. These are the main ones you can see. I've used these quite a bit and I typically put them back in here so they look, I mean I've had this for over a year now. So these have been used quite a bit at this point, specifically on my lenses. Pull one out just so you guys can see the size of it. The opening is right here on top. So there are a handful of these in there. Really like these specifically for cleaning the lenses. You can also see this. Now I haven't used this one quite as much because I already had one that I used, but I have used this little brush some. Not as much. Again, I put everything back in plastic because I'm a weird person like that. I've used the brush some. I've actually used the other brush we're going to look at more here in a second. This rocket launcher, so all you, if you're not familiar with them, all you do is push them in and they breathe out air. So I have one that I was using specifically for my keyboard already, so when I got this one, I just continued to use the other one since I was used to using that one. But this one works really well. They're pretty straightforward, right? So if you have your lens and you have any type of dust or whatever, all you do is slightly point this at a little bit of an angle towards your lens. You push this in, it blows some air out, and it is pushing that dust off for you. Next thing in here is you have this little bottle that you can use to put whatever you want in here and then spray on. That's actually what you use this for a little more. I haven't used that part quite as much. And then the other part, which I like a lot, actually this is what I use more as a brush specifically straight onto my lens. So you can see it's almost like a pin shape, and then you have your brush that comes out right here. So you push that up and then you have a nice brush up here at the top. All you do to close it, pull that back down, and it's very nice and simple, very easy to keep up with. So if you're looking for a really good way to keep your camera nice and clean, I highly suggest checking out this pack from Camkix.